Today we are teaching EVS subject, that is lesson number 2, our senses. See, in this lesson, today we are going to do the grammar part, children. Open your term book, page number 194. See, in term book, children, filling the blanks is there. Today we are going to do that one. Here on the board, I am going to write only the answers, children. I am not going to write the questions. So see the first one. The sensory organs helps us to dash the world around us. The sensory organs helps us to dash the world around us. What is the meaning of sensory organs, children? In this lesson we have learned what is sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. That are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These organs, what do? They do some or the other work for us, for our body, right? What do eyes do? We can see with our eyes. And what we can do with our ears? We can hear with our ears. And what can we do with our nose? We can smell with our nose. And tongue is to taste. And the skin is the feeling of touch. So what is the first one answer? The sensory organs helps us to dash the world around us. So these are what they do. They sense us, means what? They feel us to see. Eyes is there to see. If any smell is coming, the nose can recognize the smell. That is the meaning of sensory organs. So what is the answer? Helps us to sense the organs. Help us to sense the organs. That means you can feel it, right? Yes or no? When you are seeing, wow, what a beautiful dress, you can feel it, right? So like that. The second one, blind people use dash to read and write. Blind people. Who are called blind people? The people who don't have eyes, they cannot see. So for them, how they can read and write? They have Braille script for reading and writing. So what is the second answer? Blind people use dash to read and write. What is that? Braille script. BRAILLESCRIPT. The answers are there up only, children. See in the small box they have given answers also. Next, third one. Deaf people use dash to communicate. Deaf people. Who are called deaf people, children? Those who cannot hear. Those who cannot hear. They are called as deaf people. So what do deaf people do? How they will, when their ears are not working, how can we hear any sounds or anything? How can we hear that? At that time what they do? They can see but they cannot hear. So at that time how they will talk to each other? When one will talk also they cannot hear. At that time what do? Yes, they use the sign languages. They do like this by moving their hands. By their hands only, by moving the hands only, they show the letters and they talk to each other. That is called sign language. What it is? Sign language. Next, fourth one. Never rub your eyes with dash hands. So these eyes are very delicate part. If anything goes inside also we get so much pain, right? So should not put hands, dirty hands in our eyes. Why? Because whatever the dirt is there in our hands, it goes into the eyes and it disturbs our eyes. So what is the answer? Never rub your eyes with dash hands, with dirty hands. Next one. We should be dash and dash to physically challenged people. So who are called physically challenged people? Those who cannot hear, those who cannot see and those who cannot walk properly. They are called as physically challenged people. So for them how we should be? Hey, get up from here. Like this we should stop. No. We should be very kind and polite to them. So what is the answer? We should be very kind and sensitive. Kind means what? By pleasing manner. by pleasing manner you should talk to them politely. Sensitive means should talk very calmly and should ask them very nicely, what do you want, like that we should speak. Now next, see children, turn the page. Don't turn the page, see the next page, 195. Tick the correct answers. So this also I am writing only the answers, children. What is it? Tick the correct answer. Which is the organ of touch? Which is the organ of touch? So organ means what? Sensory organs we are talking about. So which organ is of touch? They have given 4 options to you and they have given like this box also. In that particular box only you have to put tick mark. Okay. So first one, which is the organ of touch? So what are options? Skin, ears, eyes, tongue. So how can we feel? Yes, skin. So what is the first answer? A. Near A you put a tick mark. Next, second one. What do people with weak eyesight wear? What do people with weak eyesight? Weak eyesight means what? They are having eyes, they can see. But some people, due to lack of vitamins or anything, they cannot see properly. For example, the children are there. They see lots of TVs or mobile phones. So at that time, they cannot see properly in the classrooms. Whatever the teacher is writing on the board, they cannot see properly. So at that time what they will do? They will go to doctor, okay. They will get check up with their eyes. Then they will get a spectacles. So what is the answer here? What do weak eyesight wear? So what do they wear? Spectacles. So what is the option? A. Near A, put a tick mark. Spectacles or spectacles only. Next, third one. Which of these is unpleasant? Which of these is unpleasant? So what are options? Blaring loudspeakers, chirping of birds, giggling of children, all of these. So chirping of birds means what? What is the meaning of chirping of birds? The birds when they sing, morning time we hear, right? So how is the voice? Very calmly, very sweetly, right? And giggling of children. Giggling of children means what? They are laughing, right? When we put giggling to them, they laugh. So that noise, how does it looks nice? Blaring loudspeakers means what? Some people, they keep music very loudly. How do we feel? They tell, what is it stupid, so much sounds are there. So that one, unpleasant. Unpleasant means when we cannot bear that sound. That is called unpleasant. So what is the option? A. So near A, put it. Next, match the following. Eyes. See here, with eyes, what do we do? With eyes, what do we do? Yes, sight. So, near eyes option, you write what is the answer? Sight. Sight means see. Next one, ears. With ears, what do we do? Hearing. Ears. Hearing. What is the option? A. Next, third one. Tongue. So with tongue, what do we do? Yes, taste. So tongue is equal to taste. So what is that option? B. And last one, what is it? Skin. With skin, what do we do? Touch. B. Next one, see children. Down they have given creative corner. Look at these pictures and write the names of the related sense organs. So we have to see and we have to write the names. Okay, see some pictures is given. With that pictures, what kind of sense organs we work with that we can see. So first one, what is the first one? Do you know what is the first picture? Yes, it says speakers. So with speakers, what do we do? We can hear songs. So what is that? What can we do? Yes, ears. Do you understand now? Ears. With speakers, we can hear music. So with what we hear? With ears. Next, doll. So what is a doll? What can we do? We can, when if we touch, by closing our eyes, if we touch like that, we come to know it is a teddy bear, right? So what it is? Skin. By touching only, no, we are coming to know. Yes or no? Yes. Next, what is that? Every children loves it. What is it? Ice cream. So when you are eating ice cream, where you are putting? Into the mouth. So how you are going to know the taste? By when that ice cream is on the tongue, then you feel. So how do you know the taste of that? By the tongue. Next, D1. What is that? Yes, TV. So how do you see TV? With your eyes. Next, last one. What is that? Do you know what is that? Yes, nowadays children know, because every fathers and children are also putting, what is that? Perfume. So with the smell of the perfume, so smell means what? With what we smell? Yes, with our nose. Okay children, by seeing these answers you write in your chalk book. Okay.